Abonin, and I'm here to show you how to graph linear equation. Let's start with defining these terms. First is the graph. It's a mark, while graphing is drawing. Coordinate are symbols or words where a spot is. Next is Cartesian. It is a type of grid made by René Descartes. Linear, the of or about lines. Equation is a math sentence telling that things are equal. Lastly, axis. These are lines which can be rotated around. Now let's start graphing. We have here y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 3. First is we need to transform the equation in the slope-intercept form, which is y is equals to mx plus b. Since this is already in the slope-intercept form, next step is we need to know what is the slope and the y-intercept. The slope on this equation is 2/3, while the y-intercept is 3. The first point we can get from this equation is the y-intercept, which is 0, 3, and it is located on this point. Now let's take a look at the slope. We have a numerator of 2. The numerator is the vertical movement of the line, while the denominator is the horizontal movement. Now let's check where our second point is. 2 is the vertical movement, which is 1, 2. Then we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So the second point is here. Now let's connect these 2 points. This line can be extended upward and downward. Just continue using the slope in getting the next point for this line. Now let's have another example. I have here 2x plus y minus 2 equals 0. Since this is not yet in the slope-intercept form, let's go ahead and transform this equation to its slope-intercept form. So we will have y is equal to negative 2x plus 2, wherein negative 2 will be our slope and 2 is the y-intercept. So again, we now have 1 point here. So we have 0, 2 as our first point. Let's plot this point now. We have here 1, 2 as the first point. Now, the slope is negative 2. the denominator of this number is obviously positive 1. So we have, again, this is the vertical movement and the horizontal movement. Let's start graphing. So we have here negative 2. That means we need to move downwards. We have 1, 2. The denominator is positive 1, so we need to move to the right. We have here the point 1, 0. Now we are ready to connect these 2 points so that we can form the line of our equation 2x plus y minus 2 equals 0.
And that will be all. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.